up guys? On previous video I told you guys that I'm getting a property, and here it is. And me and my dad and uncle been working on this property the past week. It was full of bamboo forest to as high as this wall. Start building this place. Eventually building a shop in the back. It's pretty big. I'll be able to park 10 cars, no problem. Tomorrow I'm off to get another car, so stay tuned. It's 5:30 in the morning. Today we're going to pick up a new car. This video is sponsored by Import Bible. I'll leave their website link in the description below. And today they sent me this Lesha melody box. Lesha means train, and this is melody box. You just put it in your car and it has 45 different sound to it. So here it is, the car I came to pick up today for one of my customer. Thing it's clean. S15 VARIETTA. It's open car. Unfortunately it's raining today, so not gonna open, but man, this thing is mean. But check out this shop. They got all kinds of clean, rare cars. Yeah, すごい。Unfortunately it's raining, so we can't open this, but the car is great, clean, and the customer is happy. Now we're just on the way back home. Store it till it's eligible to export to USA. That's the S15 VARIETTA. The open car version, they are pretty rare. They only made little over 1,000 of this. This car is pretty low and stiff suspension, so rough ride, but Everything works, and these leather seats tight though. Leather interior. So I'll just get some B-roll on the way home, and that was it. Just to pick up the S15 VARIETTA open car. This is my first time driving it, the open car. Hopefully it'll clear up. As soon as it clears up, we'll open it. Be able to stick our hands out. Let me know if any of you guys, especially my properties, will be done real quick. I'll be able to store so many cars. If any of you guys want to buy a newer car that you want to store, you're more than welcome. Just hit me up on Instagram. DM me that if you're looking for cars. But don't worry guys, I'll be back in state October for a little bit. I'll catch up with you guys for the next vlog. The walk around tour around the shop I bought this car from. They have some cool cars, and show you guys all the cars they had and the prices they're going for. So stay tuned for next vlog for that too. I'll just finish the vlog with some B-roll on the way home. Peace.